In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null values in Power BI, Power Query. Nulls show up when data is missing, and they can break calculations, visuals, and even simple filters. The good news is that Power Query has a fast, reliable way to handle them, so your dataset behaves the way you expect. We'll open the Power Query editor, select the column that contains the gaps, and use the fill command to restore the values that should be there. Start in Power BI Desktop on the Home tab. Click the Transform Data option on the ribbon to open the Power Query editor. This is the workspace where you shape and clean data before it loads into your model. You'll see your tables on the left, a preview in the middle, and a list of applied steps on the right, so every change is recorded and reversible. Next, select the column that contains the null values. You can spot them easily because Power Query displays the word null in those cells. Make sure you click the column header so the entire column is highlighted. If you're unsure which column has the gaps, use the filter drop-down to quickly check for nulls, then clear the filter so you can see the full context again. With the column selected, go to the Transform tab and choose Fill. Fill is designed to replace nulls by carrying an existing value into empty cells. In many datasets, you'll use fill down to carry the last known value forward, such as repeating a category label for subsequent rows. In other cases, fill up will bring the next known value upward. Choose the direction that matches your data's structure. Power Query will immediately propagate the nearby value into each null, effectively restoring those entries to their original values as the data was intended to be read. This doesn't invent new data. It simply fills gaps based on the values that are already present around them. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Make sure your rows are ordered the way you want before filling, because fill respects the current sorting. And if you change your mind, you can use the step list on the right to remove the fill step and try again. No harm done. That's all there is to it. You opened the Power Query editor, selected the column with the nulls, chose fill, and watched those gaps resolve into meaningful values. Your data is now cleaner, more reliable, and ready for analysis.